So here we're comparing fractions with different denominators, but these are more difficult than the questions we've done so far, because 7 isn't in the 3 times table, 8 isn't in the 6 times table, and 11 isn't in the 5 times table. 11 isn't a multiple of 5. So when this happens, what you need to do is find 2 equivalent fractions. So 21 is in both the 3 and the 7 times table, so we can find equivalent fractions to 1/3 and to 2/7, which have a denominator of 21. 3 times 7 is 21, and 1 times 7 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21, and 2 times 3 is 6. So, because 7 over 21 is larger, we know that 1/3 is larger than 2/7. Now, 5/6 and 7/8. Again, we need to find 2 equivalent fractions. And we can use the common denominator of 24, because 24 is in both the 6 and the 8 times tables. It's the lowest common multiple of 6 and 8. So 6 times 4 is 24, 5 times 4 is 20, 8 times 3 is 24, and 7 times 3 is 21. So 7/8 is our larger fraction. Now for 3/5 and 7/11, we can use 55 as our common denominator, because 55 is in both the 5 and the 11 times tables. 5 times 11 is 55, 3 times 11 is 33. 11 times 5 is 55, 7 times 5 is 35, so this is our larger fraction. 7 over 11 is greater than 3 over 5. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.